Street is so quiet, I think I'm the loudest thing on it. There are ranches all along, so it is super cute. And if you're looking for a little over 1,200 square feet in finished area, as well as a full basement that doubles the square footage, this would make the absolute perfect starter home for you. So this house has a great flow and original hardwood floors. It also has a slider right off of the dining room. It has a nice open kitchen that also leads to a back entrance next to a half bathroom and your full basement. Let's go check that out. The mechanicals in the home all look to be right around under 10 years old, so that's fantastic. It looks like there's some updated electrical as well. So it's got a lot of charm, a lot of character, a great full-size basement that's going to double your square footage. So I just checked with my lender what the current payment would be on this home. We're asking $200,000, and if you're putting about 5% down, your payment should be right around $1,500 a month with taxes and insurance included. And if you're putting about 20% down, you're looking at right around $1,300 a month, depending on where the rates are when you lock it in. So it's very affordable, and it's pretty much turnkey, and you can just make it yours.